fishing at Ruapuke Beach today, so let's go. So we're feeling a little bit nervous. I don't know why. I think it's because I haven't been there for like 5 years, so like just trying to find the road even. And then what about you?
I've never been there, so there's that. And I know there's no swell today, but having never been there and only ever heard stories of people getting swept off the rocks and drowning, definitely makes me a bit nervous.
Yeah, so it's good to note that you do not go to the spot when there's a big swell, and so it's super dangerous. So 1 meter swell with offshore wind, so it's really tiny today, so we should be fine. We're having trouble trying to find the place to fish at Ruapuke, because I went there like 7 years ago, and yeah, we're not sure where to go, so we're just going to keep going along and see how we go. So we're pretty sure we've found it. We're going to follow this road and see if it leads to the fishing spot. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. So excited now. So it's super windy up here, but yeah, we're off down to the track, down to find the fishing spot. This walkway is pretty dodgy. You've got like huge big like open cliffs on the side. So this is the fishing spot down here, and it has a bit of an eerie feeling because there's no one there at all, but we've decided we're going to go down anyway. Put our life jackets on and here we go. So I'm just going to just going to shuffle down on my butt just so I don't fall down here. It's quite steep. Kirsten coming along. I'm just looking at fishing down here, so I just thought I'd go down for a bit of a look. Just gonna fish off here, but as you can see, way too much rock, so I'll just get snagged. So we're gonna go on the other side and check it out. This is our new spot. Nice and quiet. Yeah, feels a bit safer, a bit calmer. So yeah, Ruapuke's pretty dodgy. The rocks down there are rugged and slippery, and yeah, as I was saying to Kirsten, that it feels like quite challenging. Out of my comfort zone. We got a fish, so excited, although it is a rock cod, I think. Oh god, look how down that. Okay, so I'm gonna pop him back, I think. I'm getting close to getting the hook out. It's taking a while. Oh yay! Yay! Okay, I hope he's okay. I'm gonna try and put him back in the water. It's so hard to grip. That's the problem. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna try and pop him back in the water.
Oh, it's a really little one this time. It's probably the same one, eh?
We're all done for the day. I didn't manage to catch anything other than rock pods. Are you sad we're going?
I'm ready for a spa, I think, and some dinner.
Frozen to the bone. Bye, Ruapuke Beach. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find.
It's there.
But yeah, I mean, we were super nervous like coming out here, and now that we've done it, like I'm super stoked that I had someone with me, because I feel like it's a spot that you don't want to hang out with by yourself. Then another guy we just banged into, he said he never goes to Ruapuke if it's above 1 meter. So yeah, I think that's a safe rule.